So it tells you 3 of these 4 words are given in code. The codes are not written in the same order as the words, and 1 code is missing. Use the below code to answer the questions 75 to 77. Okay?
Okay.
So you have to figure out what each number means compared to each letter. Yeah? So how would you go about figuring that out?
I don't know.
Okay. So this one, it's important for you to try and look for patterns. Okay? So for example, if you look at the word tree, there are 2 E's at the end of it. So it means
Yes.
that if one of these numbers were to mean tree, it means that they're gonna have 2 of the same number at the end.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So out of these 3 numbers, which one would mean tree?
8177.
Good. So now you can figure out that T is equal to 8. You know that R is equal to 1. And you know that E is equal to 7. So you know that so far, right? So you can make yourself a key.
Okay.
Yeah. Knowing this, you can look at rake, and you know that rake could start with 1.
Yes.
So if I start another one here, so rake would be 1 blank, since you don't know what A is, you don't know what K is, and you know that E is 7. Is there a number there that starts with 1 and ends in 7?
Yes.
Which one?
1537.
Good. So that means you can add to this key now. A would equal what?
5
And then K would equal
3.
good. So now you can look at meh. You don't know what M is, so you leave that blank. You know that A is 5. You know that R is 1. And you know that E is 7. So would any of these be meh?
No.
Good. So you know that the final one is masked. This 0527, 0528, you know that is equal to masked. Correct? So M equals what?
M equals 0.
And then we know that A is 5.
Yes.
What does S equal?
2.
And we know that T equals 8 already. So you see how using that, we've already made a key for ourselves.
Yes.
And now using this key, we can work out these questions. Understand?
Yeah.